Okay, everybody, today we're going to take a look at the inbox within Canvas, and I'm going to show you how to send a message. So if you're here at your dashboard, right when you log in, you'll just go over down here on the global navigation to inbox. You can see that obviously I don't have a lot of messages right now, but as the school year goes along, obviously this will start to populate. It's nice that you can sort this by your courses. You can look through your favorite courses. You can look through more courses. You can even go back to concluded courses. Right now I just have it selected to all. I can just look at my entire inbox. I can obviously look at it by unread, starred, sent, archived, or submission comments. But most importantly, the nice thing you can do is I can go in here and I can send a message. So I'm going to compose a message. First, I'll pick my course. So I'll send this to my kids. What's nice about this is I can just select everybody, right? So that's the easiest thing to do. But if I want, I can select specific people. So if there was more than one teacher on the course, I could pick, my co-teacher or an administrator that is also on the course as a teacher. I can also go in and pick students. So I can check all the students, or I can just decide, you know what, just Emma and just Michaela. And we can make the subject, clean your room. I want an individual message sent to each recipient, and then, there's the message. I can go down here and I can attach a file. So if I want to go in here and I want to put my Bitmoji on it for no reason whatsoever, I can also go here and I can record an audio or video comment. So when you click that, you can actually record, or you can upload something that you already have on your computer, audio or video, and you just click send. And it's really just that easy. When they reply, it'll come to your inbox here. And that is as easy as it gets for sending messages from your inbox.